Hi, hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Hope you're all doing great. Today we are going to discuss about a very important HR topic, HRP concepts. That is like a human resource planning. Don't worry. So no textbook language. I will explain this with simple words and real-time examples from Tamil Nadu companies like IT, factories, shops, and everything. Okay. So next, we're just seeing the first slide. So the basic questions from like a HRP, I would like to explain simple manner. The first, what is HRP? So human resource planning means having the right number of people with the right skills and at the right time. Okay, I just imagine of IT company in Chennai working on US project. Suddenly they get three new projects. If a HR doesn't plan manpower properly, so what will happen? We just work pressure, emphasizing the statement of here, work pressure, employee turnout, then project delay. So that is why the HRP is needed for the situations. Okay. So for that we have framed set of objective that is called define. Okay. The HRP is not just hiring people. It has a clear objectives. Okay. It is have clear objectives. So the clear objectives they explain in avoid overstaffing. That's mean too many people are sitting ideal in the workplace. So we just avoid overstaffing at a single place. Avoid understaffing also is not enough people to do work. That is also making such problems or conflicts inside the organization. Cost control, then business growth support. Here also just taking, I would explain within simple examples. In a Tirupur garments factory, if orders increase during festival session, then our HR didn't plan workers or productions will get delayed. Um, if they hire too many people, that also the orders drop and company has has meet losses. So next, the demand and supply of this the key concept. The first concept and it is demand forecasting. This means predicting how many employees we need in future. Okay, I just here I will explain it with few example. A Coimbatore manufacturing companies as a place and plan to buy new machines next year in 2026. The HR should forecast how many operators are there need, how many supervisors are there need, any engineers needed for the work. So which is all the things should planned by a HR. Okay, then the supply the next the supply forecasting, which is also important. This means checking how many employees are already overloaded or available. Okay, for example, in a Chennai BBO industries like HR checks like how many employees might resign, who can be promoted, who can be trained, so they don't blindly hire outside. Okay, so that is then a gap analysis. So now the compare demand and supply. This is called gap analysis. Explain in simple words shortage, which means hire or try. If the companies have surplus, transfer or reduce overtime works. For example, if a Salem textiles mills needs 50 workers, but has only 35, the gap is the 15. The HR must plan recruitment or contract workers. So that is called the demand and supply. We just need for that need, we just calling or hiring the people for the particular work. So what are the manpower documents required? So manpower is basically like recording skills, the experience, age, performance, mobility, and also how plans, succession charts, the skill matrix. They are used by the HR to maintain the records as well as monitoring the employee performance. So the HR methods, how the HR plans people. HR uses is different methods to plan the manpower. Past data analysis with the manager judgment, the workload analysis. For example, we take chains like Reliance Mart in Tamil Nadu increases staff before Diwali because the past data shows high footfall. Okay, so what are the digital tools are used? Like digital use automated forecasting, scenario planning, then AI predicting the so many training needs and shortage. China IT companies also face that kind of issues in the companies. So challenges like HR sounds simple, but practically it is challenging. High employees attrition, sudden market changes, then skill mismatches. So now why HRP is important for freshers and managers? If you're an MBA student, HR fresher, or business owners, HRP knowledge is must. Helps freshers understand the post planning, helps managers avoid last minute hiring, then helps companies grow smoothly. Okay, so these are very important points, variations. You just break up the points. HRP begins like understanding the people, what kind of end with strategic execution. We just explain the concept with DT frameworks and digital tools are which is used for break. Okay, thank you so much for listening this video. Okay, so yeah, this is a HRP concept explained with real time Tamil Nadu examples.